My name is Scher, and welcome to my tutorial on the double action round kick. The double action round kick is like a fake jump front kick with the back leg. Then the front leg does a round kick before you land. We're going to break this down into several parts. First, you're going to pick up the back knee. Just get used to this movement. Start in a front stance or a walking stance. Pick up your back leg. Now pick it up more forcefully and take it into a jump. Let the knee going upwards pull you into the air. Now pick that leg up and then put it down, but as you put it down, point your toes in the opposite direction from that in which you intend to kick. The difference between a front kick and a round kick or a turning kick is the pivot. Now we do the same thing in the air. You're going to bring the back leg up but more forcefully into a jump. And as you jump, you're going to land on that foot pivoted. So let's say the right leg's in the back, you're going to pick up the right leg, forcefully into a jump, land with the right leg pivoted. Now I'm going to put this all together into one movement. The back leg's going to pick up super forcefully and you're going to jump as high as you can into the air. As you come up, you're going to pivot the foot and that will turn your hips over. Don't try to leave your hips behind as you pivot your foot. It won't work. You won't be able to pivot all the way and you're going to end up either hurting your hip or knee or ankle. So you're going to pick up the back leg, jump up as high as you can into the air, pivot the foot, turn the hips over, round kick with the leg that was in the front, and then land. And that's the double action round kick or double action turning kick. Now we're going to take this up just another notch for fun. A little closeout scene here. Now instead of doing a fake with the back leg, we're going to actually throw a front kick. So we're going to pick up that back leg forcefully, it'll bring us up into the air, and right before we reach the apex, you're going to throw that front kick. And then that leg's going to come back very quickly, land pivoted, and round kick with the front leg. Ideally you should pivot and kick right before you land. Thank you so much for watching my double action round kick or double action turning kick tutorial. Please don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. And please check out the other videos on my YouTube channel, particularly my front kick and round kick tutorial, which will definitely aid in the development of those kicks so that you can apply them to this video.